Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So it is that time of year where people are talking about wedding fragrances, going to a wedding, being in a wedding, being the bride, all of the things. And it's summertime, of course, so this is the time that most people get married, I would assume. So the fragrances in this video will be for everybody at the wedding. And we talking about from the single guest all the way up to the bride, okay? So I got something for everybody if you're going to be there or be in it or whatever. So for the single guest, she is there, she is single and ready to mingle, okay? She's got on a fragrance that is appealing, mass appealing, of course. She's got on a fragrance that is a compliment getter and a fragrance that kind of draws attention to start up a conversation. It's not offending everybody. It does have good performance, okay? Because you want to smell good from the wedding all the way through the reception, all of that. So the first one we're gonna go with is kind of new to my collection, and when I tell y'all the compliments was flowing in, and I see why, was No Leader from Bond Number 9. It's a fruity floral fragrance. The projection, sillage, and the longevity, everything was moderate. I feel like the longevity was pretty good, like a little more than moderate. But when I say the compliments, like this is a fragrance, a fruity fragrance that you spray on and you don't really know that you're gonna get the compliments that you're gonna get until you start getting them. You know, a lot of people were saying that, and now I get it, because when I wore it, I was like, oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I was like, yeah. So the single guest, she needs to have this on, okay, because she wants people to come in and start up conversations. Hey, how are you? How are you doing? You smell so good. What's your name? Okay, let's keep the conversation going, okay? Mingle, girl. Moving on to Resendo number 6. Like, this is a beautiful floral fragrance. It's soft, it's sweet, it's powdery, it's got the florals in there. The sillage is gorgeous on this. It just is. And yes, like, this is a you smell good fragrance. What is your name? Okay, what is your name? Yes, as she's going through the, you know, the party and all of that with this on, people just smell like, oh, you smell good. Like, girl, she gonna be getting them from everywhere. I'm just saying. Last, for our single ready to mingle lady, she is going to be wearing Creed Wind Flowers. This is, I wouldn't say a simple scent, but it does what it's supposed to do. It really does. It's a floral, it has good performance, and it just smells good, and it's got a sweetness to it, and everybody loves sweet. Everybody loves sweet. That praline is giving sweetness, okay? And then the florals, to me, they are there and prominent, but they right at the cap. You know what I'm saying? They right at the cap to where it don't give me no headache. You know what I'm saying? But this is pretty. Just really pretty. It smells like I'm single, I'm ready to mingle, but I got my own shit, so don't be playing, okay? Like, period. Next one is for the married guest. So I'm there with my husband, my man, whatever. Y'all together, y'all married, y'all couple, okay? That y'all came together and all of the things. And this list of 3 is probably going to be all over the place, but hear me out, okay? So first, we're going to start off with Blanche Bed. Now, I was like, wait, is Blanche Bed going to be good in the dead of heat? I don't know. Hell yeah, it is. This smells good. So this one is the one that you're gonna wear. It's gonna be a compliment getter, but people are just gonna be like, like, I know she smells good, and I know her husband loves that on her. You know what I'm saying? So people are gonna be complimenting you, because they're gonna be like, what you got on, girl? Because you already got a husband, so what you got on? Okay, like, it's one of them. Sweet, creamy, lactonic, floral, almost marshmallowy, coconutty. Like, it just smells good and creamy, but it definitely has that lactonic vibe to it, and I don't know, it's something about lactonic that's kind of nurturing. Next one is Creative Vintage for her. Like, Creative Vintage for her, you can absolutely wear this as the married guest, because for one, can't nobody tell you nothing. They smell you and they like, oh, she got her shit together, and so do her husband. Like, they're good. You know what I'm saying? Like, this just smells like, hey, how y'all doing? You know, I don't know y'all, but the bride is my cousin, but you know, hey, how's everybody doing? Because I know I smell good, and you know, I'm just over here with my man, so you know. No, I'm just playing, but no, seriously, like, this is one of those, it's gonna take you through the wedding all the way through the reception, okay? Because the performance is already there. It's got a fruity but almost, you know, slightly kind of masculine type of powerful vibe to it, and that's really what this Aventus does give you. I know y'all hear a lot of people say that, but that's what it gives. Like, I could see the married guest wearing this, because she was like, I already got it. I got what you guys want. Okay, I already did. Then Peregrine by Tamine. So this is still a me vibe, but this is the softer, sweeter, more subdued. I'm just watching everybody, peeping all the scenes, watching everybody who talking to who and who ain't and all of that. You know what I'm saying? I was over here just smelling all good. I told my husband we should have ate before we got here because the food wasn't gonna be good, but he didn't listen. But this is so soft and pretty though. So the sweetness, the rose and the caramel, it's just like, it just smells so beautiful. And when people smell it on you, they're gonna be like, she smells so good. I would have married her too. Okay, she's already married and I see why. She smells amazing. I feel like this will take you all the way through the day, halfway. Like once you get after the wedding, girl, spray a little bit more on before you go to the reception, and this will take you all the way through the reception as far as, you know, performance. But the smell of it, love it. Now let's move on to mother of the bride. So, you know, she's an older woman, a more mature woman or whatever. She's there with her husband or her baby daddy or whatever it is, you know. We don't know if the bride's parents are together or not, okay? But the mother of the bride is there and she smells so good. Now with it being mother of the bride, I did pick fragrances that I feel like are more mature fragrances. I love a good more mature fragrance. I'm in my middle 40s, so hey girl, like I'm mature with the fact. I mean, I still got a lot to learn, but I done learned a lot too, okay? So give me my flowers. But anyway, let's get into some more mature scents for the mother of the bride, and this one nobody talks about, and it is Southern Bloom by Goldfield and Banks. Now this fragrance is definitely a more mature fragrance. It's not for everybody. It's super powdery. That whatever that flower is in it, I forget what it's called, but you'll see it in the notes. Like baby powder, pretty soft, just elegant, mature type of fragrance, and I love it. Like I love it. It smells so good to me. But I can definitely see like an older woman wearing this to somewhere like a wedding because she wants to smell soft and inviting and comforting and powdery and clean and all of that. And that's what I get from this. Love this one. The next one is Perfumes by Argos. This is definitely a mother of the bride feminine scent. It almost smells a little vintagey, but then it has some kind of twist on it to where it smells modern at the same time. So this is, you know, for my mother of the bride, that she knows she's still gonna be out on the dance floor, you know, kicking it, okay? She gonna be having a good time. She ain't just sitting at the table chilling and all of that. She gonna be up and moving around because this is different. But this is also for the mother of the bride that doesn't really want to be too projecting and loud and out there. She just wants to smell good when you hug her and congratulate her for her daughter getting, or her son getting married, and all of, well, it's mother of the bride, so it's her daughter getting married. Well, yeah, clean, fresh, a little floral, a little sweet, and yeah, but it's not the most projecting, and it's not the most like super long lasting. I would say the performance all around on this is moderate, so you would definitely have to top up throughout the day, but that's okay because she's gonna be going to powder her nose and do all that anyway, so she just spray a little more on. But yeah, this is definitely mother of the bride. Then the last one for mother of the bride is Creed Love and White. This is white floral luxury, like soapy. Like this is at the most expensive hotel ever. It just smells like clean floral soap, and I just love it. This is a nice floral for an outside wedding, so especially in the summertime, you're going to be hot, and she just wants to smell good and clean and floral and all of the things. So this is the third one for the mother of the bride. Now it's time for the bridesmaids. I need the bridesmaids to be respectful, okay? Come in smelling good, but don't think you about to come in and be trying to top the bride. Like, sit down, okay? That's not what you're gonna do. You're gonna come in here, you need something that's gonna last all day, because you're gonna be doing a lot of moving around, a lot of shuffling, okay? Doing whatever the bride needs you to do, okay? And yeah, so you need to be wearing something that's gonna last you from day all the way till night, but it's clean, fresh, and appealing, and all of the things. So we're gonna start off with one of my favorite florals for the summer, which is Mojave Ghost. It's a floral, it's kind of sweet, and it's just so fresh, and I love a Mojave Ghost. Yeah, this is perfect for a bridesmaid, like perfection. You smell like the most beautiful sweet flowers, and you just look the part as well. You're gonna smell fresh, clean. It's gonna take you through mostly the whole entire day and night. It's just, I don't know why people say Bridal fragrances don't last, but this on me lasts so long, and I love it. One you can never lose with. If I'm a bridesmaid, another 13, honey. I'm gonna be smelling so good, clean and fresh, and nobody else is gonna smell like me, because this is specific to my body chemistry. I don't care if she's a single bridesmaid or a married one, but honey, anybody she's talking to is going to be happy to smell this on her. It's the pheromones, girl. Something about this and those damn pheromones. Like, this is perfect for a bridesmaid. Another good one for the bridesmaids is Must Therapy by Initio. You're going to smell clean. It's going to be on you all day. And you're just gonna have a little fruity, like citrusy vibe to you, a little floral, definitely that muskiness just flowing through the air. Just got a little pheromone in it too, I think. But yeah, this is perfect for a bridesmaid. You need something that's going to last you all day, something that people are going to smell throughout the whole wedding party as you walk by them and all of that. And she can wear this all the way through to the reception and just still smell so good. Get her on that dance floor and have you a good time. Now it's time for the maid of honor. This is one of your besties, you know what I'm saying? So she had to be like up on, you know, up on the list of the wedding party. So this is the maid of honor, but she is not married. So we need her to be smelling really, really good, something that's gonna bring in compliments, you know, and all of the things. So first we're gonna start with La Capitale. I absolutely love this fragrance. It smells so good. It's just sweet and fruity. The leather gives it a little bit of something. Like, I can barely smell the leather in there, but I know it's in there because it gives the fruitiness something else, you know what I'm saying? So this is going to bring in compliments. This is going to definitely be a, what are you wearing? You smell good. Hi, what's your name? All of that. Like, spark up any type of conversation because you want to be next to somebody that smells like this. Next for the maid of honor would be Greenwich Village. This one would be perfect for a maid of honor because she's going to get compliments off of this. The sweetness from the praline and the ambroxan. The ambroxan is one of those that lingers through the air and you can kind of smell it like after they pass, while they're in front of you, just talking to you. Like, she is definitely going to bring the boys to the yard with this, like, because this is just one of those, people are going to ask you what you're wearing. They're going to walk by you. They're going to give you that look and you're going to be like, dang, why are they staring at me? Because you smell so good. Like, this, that's why. So you spark a conversation with who you want to spark a conversation with, or somebody's going to come over and talk to you. So just be clear. The last one is Delina La Rose. So this is the Michelle of the group, and rightfully so. And she still holds her own, okay, for sure. So it's not like you busted in with Delina and you want to be the bride and all that. It's not that. You took the back seat with La Rose, but you still smell so good, clean, fresh, aquatic, rosy. Also, if you're at an outdoor wedding, this is a good one for that, for sure, for real, for anybody in the party. But we're gonna give it to the maid of honor because we want her to have a nice sillage and projection. We want her in something long lasting and something that is going to get compliments. Okay, so yes, La Rose. Now it's time for the matron of honor. This is one of your besties too, but she married, girl. She got a man. So now you going over from maid of honor, best friend, hanging out with her all day, to, oh, we gotta do some double dates with the matron of honor and her man. You know, that's what we're doing. Okay, so first one is for the matron of honor because she's married, so she know what it is already. So she's throwing on Oud Jaune Intense. You love yellow florals and sweetness. That's what this gives. Like, I don't smell oud in it at all. If it is in here, it's giving it character, and it's like way in the back, like you can't even smell it. But this right here, it smells so good. It's creamy, it's sweet, it's yellow florals. This would be good for a beach wedding for sure. Matron of honor, yeah, she can wear this because once she comes down from being in the bridal party, her man is gonna be like, come here. Next for the matron of honor would be Palace of Themes by Argos. This is a fruity, sweet, thick floral fragrance. It feels like walking through a luxurious garden of flowers, but they all like have sugar or caramel coating on it, if that makes any sense. Like, it smells so good, but it's mature. If you like 100 Silent Ways, like, this is her mama. That's what this is. This is a more mature version, like a more grown-up version of that. And that one is like anybody can wear it, but this one right here, anybody, I don't think anybody would wear this. This is for somebody who is established and got it together, and this would definitely be for the married woman. Okay, she is experienced and seasoned, and she's got on her sweet fruity floral, and this would be the vibe for her. The last one for the matron of honor would be Athalia by Parfums de Marly. This one is like a sweet, powdery, almost bubblegummy type of fragrance. Like, this smells like it has Oriana's DNA in it to me. Like, this is Oriana's mama. So I'm just finding all the perfume mamas today, but this one smells like the more mature, grown-up version of Oriana, just a different and more powdery, and it still got the sweetness for sure, but this is perfect. It gives grown up, it gives married, it gives happy, it gives boss lady vibes and all of that. So nobody really talks about this one either, and I don't know why. Like, it smells so good, but it's definitely more on the mature side. So the last ones will be for the bride. So for the bride, for me, I would want something that is just really sensual, beautiful, has a little sexiness to it, but still light and elegant and pretty, and you know, bride like too. But Cavort by Fragrance Du Bois, it gives you all of that. It gives you pretty, it gives you elegant, it gives you a little sexiness, it gives you alluring, it gives you all of that. Like the oud in here or whatever that is in here, it just smells really good and sexy with the powderiness and the sweetness. Now this one is my only cupcake, but I feel like none of the cupcakes can top this one. Passion de l'Amour is every time I smell this, my eyes roll in the back of my head because it just smells that good. This is such a special occasion fragrance for me. I wouldn't want to wear it just regular, doing anything regular. Like this is definitely a special occasion. It's black tie, it's you getting married, it's all of that. Like soft and sweet, floral, oudy, saffron. It's this one is sexy. And both of those fragrances will take you all through the whole day, from the wedding to the reception. Like those are so nice and long lasting. The projection, the sillage, the performance on it is just so good. Last is Rosendo number 5. Like this right here is so good. Y'all see how dark my juice is getting? It's so sweet and alluring and sexy and just but pretty and elegant at the same time. It's like all of the things. This is perfect for a bride. It's long lasting. The sillage is gorgeous. As you walk down the aisle, like your guests are just gonna smell you, and it's just gonna be Let's be clear though, when it's time for me to get married, like I'm gonna be layering anyway. But if I had to wear one fragrance for a wedding or suggest one fragrance for a bride, these would be it. The last one is BR540 The Extrait. Now this one is just classy and elegant, and it's BR540 Extrait, so it just does what it's supposed to do. It's hella long lasting. The performance is great. The sillage on it is just that sweet sponge sugar, and that almond is so good. And this one reminds me of my dad. So if he was going to be at my wedding, he would be dancing all night long off beat because he just did not have no rhythm at all. No, he's not white. But he would be dancing all night, and this is the fragrance that reminds me of him. And of course I will wear this on a wedding day or suggest it to a bride. So those are all the fragrances that I think everybody in the wedding party or that's going to be at the wedding can wear. Let me know your recommendations down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.